Hi there, students. A dupe. To dupe. Okay, to dupe means to trick somebody into doing something, to fool somebody, to deceive them. Very often by getting them to do something that they don't intend to do or they don't even know they're doing. He duped me into buying his car because he said that although it was very cheap, it worked very well. It was actually a lemon. It really didn't work well at all. So notice to dupe somebody into buying something or to dupe somebody into doing something. A dupe, this is somebody who is easily tricked. Yeah, he's. I'm such a dupe. People are always duping me into doing things that I didn't mean to do. The man duped him into carrying his suitcase through customs, and in fact, the suitcase contained a load of drugs. Okay, he was a real dupe. Notice as well, you can also actually use the word a dupe, meaning a copy of something, a duplicate of something. So I don't know, maybe you see fly pictures on the street selling designer dupes. Yeah, they're duplicates or copies of the real thing. Okay, so to dupe, yeah, he duped me into buying a dupe, telling me that it was the real thing. So a dupe, somebody who's easily tricked, somebody who's easily cheated or fooled. He duped me into believing that he was a lord. In the hope that I would lend him some of my hard earned cash. He was duped into buying a counterfeit suitcase or counterfeit Nikes. Yeah. Okay. So to dupe, to trick someone. Oh, I was such a dupe. I was such an idiot. Um, so, yeah, a person who is easily deceived, somebody who's unwary. Yeah, they are somebody who is easily duped, somebody who's easily deceived or tricked or fooled. Okay, don't dupe yourself into believing that learning English is easy. Yeah, you're going to end up discovering the hard way that it's not. The prisoner duped the psychologist into believing that he had changed his ways. The Prime Minister claims he's an innocent dupe in this political scandal. He's the fool guy, he's the pigeon, or he's the sucker. Yeah, he's the puppet, the tool of somebody else. So, yeah, he's been duped. Okay, yeah, he's the dupe of some trickster. So, don't dupe people because it's not honest. Um, she had been a dupe because the man was a real rogue. He wasn't a good person. He duped me into thinking that the bill had been paid when in fact it hadn't. Okay, so a dupe, a person who's easily tricked, or to dupe, to swindle, to trick, to deceive, to fool, or also a duplicate. It's just an abbreviation. Okay, so how formal is this verb to dupe or a dupe? Certainly the noun a dupe, I would consider this rather informal. I'd probably give it a 4.5 informality. I think maybe to dupe as a verb, I would probably increase the formality to 5 and say that you could use it anywhere. Um, Okay, so it's a regular verb. He duped me into buying something that was not real, and I have been duped again. What a shame. Notice 1p this time in duped and in duped past simple or the past participle. The origin in itself comes from French dupe, which means to dupe, to trick. So the etymology is quite easy. Okay, so don't dupe yourself into thinking that English is easy, because it's not. You have to spend a lot of time and learn a lot of vocabulary and practice, practice, practice. Okay, so to dupe, to trick, a dupe, a person who's easily tricked, or a dupe, a duplicate, a copy, a fake. Yeah. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dupe.